Everything's so stuck. Oh, I got it. This is the one came in it. This is the one I got. It's the exact same thing. Why is there 3 of those? I wonder if that matters. I don't think it does. I don't know. If it doesn't come on, like at all, then I did something wrong. But if it just keeps doing what it was doing, then it's probably something else. Moment of truth. I think I plugged everything back in. I've seen this before. It did do this, and I just clicked continue, and it worked like normal. I think I might have did it. This is the longest that it's ran without shutting off. Jump scare. I started up my computer, and it did run fine for a little bit, and then it started slowing down again. I restarted it, and it just started doing exactly what it did before. The whole thing that it was doing was it would shut off, and then you would turn it on, and then after 10 seconds, it would shut itself off again. And apparently that is a fail-safe thing for overheating. I took apart the cooler, the CPU cooler, and look at the thermal paste, like where it is. Not even covering like half of the CPU. But I guess I'll have to take that out, or if I can keep it in, I'd rather do that because I don't want to mess any of the pins up. But this doesn't look like it's spread very well, and the fan in this thing might be bad.